everyone! Welcome to Elegancy, where we bring you the best content out there. Thank you for choosing to spend your time with us. We are thrilled to have you here and we hope you enjoy our videos as much as we do. If you haven't already, don't forget to hit that like button, subscribe to our channel, and turn on notifications so you never miss an update. Remember, this is a community and we'd love for you to be a part of it. So stay tuned for more exciting content and don't forget to share your thoughts in the comment section below. Let's move toward our video. This video is going to be very beneficial for your glowing skin. Benefits of Bessan Face Pack. It cleans dirt, remove excess oil, gives a glow to your skin, eliminate pimple and acne scars, reduce dark spots and circles. It helps to tighten your open pores, lighten your skin, reduce wrinkles. If you have oily skin, you can apply Bessan Face Pack on face almost daily to get oil-free skin. However, do not use Bessan Face Pack daily for dry to normal skin, as it has tendency to dry out the skin. If you enjoyed this video, don't forget to hit that like button and subscribe to our channel for more great content. Let us know in the comments what you think. Thanks for watching.